Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Digital currencies are the fury recently, and for good explanation. They offer a better approach for taking care of funds and can be utilized to buy labor and products on the web. One digital currency that has had a great deal of consideration for some time currently is Uniswap, UNI. Here we will investigate a portion of the justifications for why Uniswap merits observing, as well as our cost expectations for it. As you most likely definitely know, Uniswap is progressive with regards to the DeFi space. To this end, it is one of a handful of the tasks that we are certain beyond a shadow of a doubt will endure this damnation that the crypto market is as of now going through. Assuming you are keen on the crypto world but at the same time are different to it, we propose going through our committed Crypto for Beginners video. You will track down all the fundamental data to construct serious areas of strength for A. Furthermore, in the event that you as of now have serious areas of strength for A, you will effortlessly grasp all that this video covers. What is Uniswap? UNI? Uniswap is arguably the most famous decentralized trading convention in the business right now. It is notable for working with programmed exchanging, with extremely low slippage rates starting with one cryptographic money then on to the next. Obviously, the main thing you can trade is DeFi tokens. This is additionally the best illustration of a mechanized market creator, AMM. The task acquired a ton of notoriety in 2021 with the blast of the crypto world. From that point forward, it's been on top. Token exchanging is certainly an incredible fascination for some clients, particularly assuming you are hoping to exchange tokens that are not accessible in significant trades. To this end, clients who favor altcoins head for AMMs like Uniswap. Uniswap intends to be the go-to stage for mechanized and totally open exchanging. It additionally hopes to work on the effectiveness of these demonstrations when contrasted with different trades. As you definitely know, Uniswap has its local administration token, UNI, sent off back in 2020. This brought about the helpful potential for clients and permitted clients to influence the stage's future. UNI price prediction for 2022, 2025, 2030. Uniswap's future cost is hard to anticipate as it depends on a few elements, including the exhibition of the Uniswap organization, worldwide financial circumstances, and the cost of other digital forms of money. Nonetheless, in the event that Uniswap keeps on developing as an organization at its ongoing rate, it is conceivable that the cost assessment for UNI could without much of a stretch beginning moving back to the $10 mark toward the finish of 2022. This would address a to some degree critical increment from its ongoing cost of around $7, yet would in any case be way underneath its untouched high of $43.16, came to in May 2021. While Uniswap's future cost is difficult to anticipate with sureness, we are anxious to impart to you our scientific gauge. Remember that these are chiefly theories, albeit upheld by realities and other fairly strong elements. So, we should make a beeline for the thrilling part. 2022. A portion of the monetary business top names have loaned their way to Uniswap's cost forecast. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the digital currency area exhibits that many individuals are sure about cryptographic money. As indicated by the tint to Uniswap's exhibition over the course of the last year, it might accomplish a colossal lift by the end of the year, dissimilar to other critical coins like Bitcoin and ETH, and get through the $10 mark once more, which will draw it nearer to its past levels. Obviously, there's the situation that we experience further world struggles that can influence the crypto market. All things considered, we can anticipate that UNI should drop in cost. Nobody can say without a doubt the way that low it might go, however we can undoubtedly see it dropping to around $5.12, $5.87. 2023. Numerous investigators have made Uniswap cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement is that the cost of Uniswap will keep on rising. This depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of Uniswap's innovation, the developing fame of crypto, and the general uplifting perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to say precisely exact thing the cost of Uniswap will be in 2023, most specialists concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more, everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Uniswap should reach $14.21, $15.81 toward the finish of 2023. 2024. Assuming that the development for Uniswap proceeds, we can without much of a stretch see it getting monstrous reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is just about as moderate as conceivable to try not to misinform you. We accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Uniswap will reach no less than $19.22. In the event that we let ourselves be a smidgen more speculative, we'd raise it to $20. Uniswap price prediction for 2025. As per numerous Uniswap devotees and their cost expectations, UNI costs might rise decisively in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of $29 and $31.25. In any case, the most practical assumption is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With inescapable reception, UNI cost forecast as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise consider that the Uniswap organization can essentially grow and create. All things considered, costs might go as high as $40, extremely near its past 80h, however that is very aggressive. With respect to a more regrettable situation, there are numerous things we can't foresee, such as any worldwide military, natural, pandemic, monetary, and other comparable issues. In any case, we should investigate what we have within reach. On the off chance that a Uniswap contender emerges, things can go south for Uniswap. Something else that can happen is assuming there's any adjustment of the organization's activity. This can incorporate a difference in CEO, engineers, other colleagues, and so on. Assuming that occurs, we can see the cost of Uniswap dropping by 50 to 70%, meaning it will go for about $21.12, $22.48. 2026. Keeping our moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Uniswap. Albeit many accept that by 2026 the cost of UNI will be something like $45 and come exceptionally near its past 80h, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, yet as far as crypto, it is. We accept that Uniswap will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of $41.20 and $42.80. 2027. As the years go by and Uniswap proceeds with its development and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly see it going for as much as $50. Notwithstanding, assuming we are more reasonable,